type of sites are known as friend of a friend site. A. Chat messenger. B. Social networking sites. C. Tutorial sites. D. Chat rooms. The correct answer is social networking sites. Which of the following is the most viral section of the Internet? A. Chat messenger. B. Social networking sites. C. Tutorial sites. D. Chat rooms. The correct answer is social networking sites. Part of the social media sites are the various games third-party applications which helps to get access to your data. A. Ethical hackers. B. Penetration testers. C. Security auditors. D. Cyber criminals. The correct answer is cyber criminals. Is a popular tool to block social media websites to track your browsing activities. A. Fader. B. Blur. C. Social media blocker. D. Ad blocker. The correct answer is Blur. Which of them is a proper measure of securing social networking account? A. Never keep your password with any relevant names. B. Keep written records of your passwords. C. Keep records of your password in audio format in your personal cell phone. D. Passwords are kept smaller in size to remember. The correct answer is never keep your password with any relevant names. Many social media sites and services provide for legitimate account verification. A. Retina scanning. B. Fingerprint scanning. C. CAPTCHA. D. Two-step verification. The correct answer is two-step verification. Increase your security for social media account by always as you step away from the system. A. Signing in. B. Logging out. C. Signing up. D. Logging in. The correct answer is logging out. Try to keep your passwords without meaning so that attack becomes almost impossible to perform successfully. A. Social engineering. B. Phishing. C. Password guessing. D. Brute force. The correct answer is password guessing. Which of the following is not an appropriate measure for securing social networking accounts? A. Strong passwords. B. Link your account with a phone number. C. Never write your password anywhere. D. Always maintain a soft copy of all your passwords in your PC. The correct answer is always maintain a soft copy of all your passwords in your PC. Clicking on enticing ads can cause trouble. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Different social media services offer tips as of how to use their services and sites still maintaining a high altitude of security. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. If hackers gain access to your social media accounts, they can do some illicit or shameless act to degrade your reputation. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Scanning your system and destroying suspicious files can reduce risks of data compromise or leakage of compromised data over social media. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Keeping the password by the name of your pet is a good choice. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Strangers cannot cause much trouble if we connect to them over social media. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.